Newero TV.
Kathoshe mwanya muno kiwe mutegire Wero TV no tubakona kanya gakwatana abandu ki mubango ya nkombo cia mithega yoro yukwira ntuku ciothe cia Jumapili kwambiriria thaa 12 na ndagika 45 kana wenda 6:45 pm na ratutiere tukwithia twikuretera ngono mwanya ngono cia kumakia utumiri bwa ndawa cia mbogita mwanka uturo kwagira morotoni ya kwithirito kurutana no kumenyethia ati no withirinya wewe ngwa wikinya matalia ya rugendo rwa guchinchia na kwagirithia uturoboku no kethiro na bro twina umwe wa antu bara bethirite bakiombana kirugendo ru akethe twikia kirwo na atirwithirite rukarakari ate na kienjani yawe ya kwithira kirikava ndina mawatiro kimenya yaiyo njira ubatire kwithira wikinyibwa kendo tire nyawo kwithira kiuma kiotumire bwanda wa chembogita no turobo kubuka ithira bukia sasa wa karibu sana Tony.
Thank you so much.
We sawa?
Yes, mimi Mbui. Yes.
Nkethira mutegire Wero TV no mwiri na umite na Tony nwe ugo.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Mutegire TV umbita wa Gitonga Tony omoria gwetu inari kundu gwetu wa Michogomone secondary Michogomone kanisene nyuma na kwa tagwo kwetu anto maitima. Yes, na wino mpumete.
Yes. Wow. Twina kwiro kwithia tukificha yo jani na ndina mekithire teithia antu ba papa ingiome baraba kiyotumira banda wa Chembogita na bakwilililia kwithira bekinya matale ya yau akinyere ya kwithira wichenche uturobwa ku. Ndenda tunitwithia tugiukumaki in the next 20-25 minutes twithia tugiukumaki rukendo roku twikempala membire ri wari kiyotumira banda wa Chembogita nire kuchiongwa chiari chiri guguteka kidogo.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Ngwinyangu eritu muno ndaja. I think no pambire kuma wana bwako endao mwanka kutumira kwa ndambirire kutumira. Oni nsiariri na very humble background. I have my mom and dad, but na mom kwa my biological mom akwirende na less than a year. I think 7 months hapo. So my dad, life no mwanka yendere hari mari. That is my parents now. My mom na muendete monata aina dad. They are there. Tachokandeta mujojo na secondary primary. Ndadire mwanka class 8 na area. And then now my first time after ndiko tano before nande no komenya ndakache kimiro ka urekirio gutano nayo we wakairwa karutere. And where there is a lot uitana between a transition area, circumcision area, and ndambire kugetabura kwa almost like an independent person in as much kwa itwagetata itwakarana asiari. Then nande ndambirire kuramira nontubwa peer pressure. Peer pressure ukethira kwina wachia akwira ayo teomba kukara utomba kumera kieni utheri tu no monka ithira wiru maroma tumira. And after gutano ndambia koroma tumira. Then ndeta high school Kibiricha boys no ndathomera secondary yakwa. Now form 1 tara manto maingi mwana mume mwana mtiifu tena manto. But that December day form 1 ongo kwera peer pressure. I don't know anga imwiri anga niwera teenagehood. Ndetera nao my crush wako mbere no gitate no umboneria you can taste alcohol. Nande tueta samaya gwita waroke samaya areta tambereria makali Kenya ken. To me it was very nasty. It was ndore mbia to bakonywa. But now there is something comes TJ quick into cage after on and quick feeling we go there is a very nice feeling mtu ambako aga why mbio kuigo. But the following day hangover and all that, so itare one of my being time and I used to eat alcohol in by then on to my dad Junyan Sobi, and then there was a lot of kwariando anja so ndamiendete but nande that feeling inkwenda omechase kairi inkwenda kwina uthongi ukiugua ndendete kuchase kairi. So na twendelea au ndaewa pocket money ngeta ngaita mbecha fulani ngeta ngakunda tutokete skuru. And that is how na nyunda atonyera ki introduction my first time in alcohol. Unika uga out of peer pressure. Tinya curiosity out of peer pressure. Yeah.
Watumire ndawa iriko na iriko?
Na ndatumire mira. Ndachoka ndambiriria mira. Ndachoka na inda kwa nyabara ora bombitana. Mira ogoreka kwa gatoro ndo mira ne atam totoro. No mwanko kunde nchovyo kitate. Ne toro. Na ndio nuko agitire ate unu nambirire gutonya ki nchobi and then mira. Mira then chobi. Then chobi. But nteijinka uktabu. Na that is my first journey kwa kitate kwambiria drugs.
Ndio bado we high school?
That is in high school form 1. Form 1.
Rugendo ruru etapia?
In form 2 ndiko mena hata kwa kara form 2 either anganio either hyper. Twambire nande kusiniki skuru itokora tugeta tukagura mzinga twachanga twe group ya ma boys tukambire kunywa. Na every time opening school no monga twakanywete kana closing kana in between tweta funkies no monga tukete hata tusinikisha alcohol. Na au nande nunda atonyere pole pole unknowingly ndiko menya this thing will come one day kondetera issues nande nunda atonyere ki addiction pole pole. Yes.
Watumira for how long?
Kano
endeleri nya after form 4.
Yes, after form 4.
Utike ki that kajani.
Now after form 4, unitendeta kukaranja mono. Nonto movaiti now no mwankambite nandenka you are a grown up no mwanka itoka kita toka iswire. Ndeja Meru town, ndambererie supermarket bitanguki supermarket. And then ndatrimana ntaka chakuma Nairobi somewhere mutako mumita Karen na itango ke repos. And boy bare ambecha they were good, they were well up. Na mutako every day tukatimana jioni we go and drink after job, mwaka joju ndenda amire from January to December. The entire year every day ntomba kuona nya ntuko mwera ntomba kujua. Na I think on addiction entonyerere. But uniteko kitata niteko menya hapo katikati na kuna blending ya wasichana. So you are not house parties hicho twalitia mono there kuna wasichana pale nao nimeanza ile indulging into sexual activities na hali na ndatonya ki addiction hiyo nyayo. It's another addiction ngakwira we baadaye how it went. Na mudako no mbitana to drink na chobira chiambecha the Viceroys and ile chekuru ile NSC and all that. And na nunda atonyera ki addiction until the moment my dad amuagonchwira nguge in the government. Actually I work with the Ministry of Interior Kenya Prisons in Nairobi. Committee medium, that's where currently I am. Na ndeta training Ruiru for 9 months. After 9 months, this is my first time na endo na mbecha ile there's some money wote menyeretie and then zinakuja kwanza kwa kintu tore awagitoa boom. It's us imbecha igwatire ni nyingi chikeja cha kuringa something like 200,000 at once. Ogwa maisha yako jo ndoto na mbecha jiriko. Let me tell you, ato change na ande maisha. Ato ambire na ande ku Nairobi na ande. In fact ngeta Nairobi jobu ni tumita menya Nairobi bweka. Na ndinkwenda ku explore Nairobi. I don't know ndalaga craving kwenda kumenya Nairobi ndalaga karaka desire kumenya Nairobi. And niunda atonyera Nairobi ndambire gutonyera na every club Kilimani, Muthaiga Karen and all CBD. Kuma ndeko ande kwa job for mwankatha aiji ndarara mpete soba. Tira ai passe but some few months ago. Ndarara mpete soba. Almost every day. The company nande ndakwatana na bara nande baijinya kutithia kumaratina baije kutithia everything they can do it. How nonde ajira kumenya in the midst of kunywa chobi tenchobi yake. So nikaanza kutumia mpaka heroin ndambire kutumira chavis au nda tumira nyabangi no to the day ntina mbeca I have to no monkanchwe highness rankethera ndinayo na ndatonyera into multiple itawa drugs nyingi ndaga kingi na muguka bado jure wau na I can tell you for free in 2019 my soul ne so broken inkwenda gutiga but ntije ngatiga ate you know. I remember kwe antu beta some of my workers baitango ge city hall kuntu kwithara kwina bara beta bakagwatwa exhibit ge kwa mali na ndi weto munengera magana 5 atikuwagira formula kwa kuretera mizinga kata
badani eu
kwena ndi go kamanyora kagitara then the day yanki radio kinya point gwako nande inyama demba are bakomenya weta kwa kitonga kwa toni kwangu chini ya kitanda kwa pilo hapo utaga mizinga. So it was so funny beja haba tonye rungu ukethera mimi nimezima oni nywere ndazima oni kethera to beshere na igwakwa bijara mbunguro chika ibijara barugura so gwako kwari club gwakwa nande bisikare kwari club 24 hours ngwata there really manto jari no to kwenda kutoja direction you know but it was very ratchet. There was a lot of ratchet. So in 2019 my soul was so broken. Nkwenda kuchwa murungu nkwenda kumenya what is wrong na ndi maisha jai ndi jonda tamana yenye kunywa na
bado ngono yetete ambere
ngeta ngukine at least ndara my brothers bambera hata kama umezima bakaringa murango make sure umeenda kazi manage kwa samosa kwa kama nda manage kidogo but umenya mtu na kinya rock bottom mutako mwambira mwirechia mbira umenya ndakarija kwa kwanza ndathukija gogwe kiro batera kudira ribate ate kuonoka kuja ke murungu ambira bita kaniseni the first day ndauka mazi hii nkamwa hii ndaacha ndauka ntuko ungeta kaniseni na Sunday ndeta preacher from USA na kubiri ikaniguza ndeta ndaja na message yako ke mwathani but na indererwa atia kuonoka ikweja praise and worship nothing else to mbere nyava mabible romba nothing else so with sometime after 2 weeks and on this a boring life kono renda choka ke nchobie kwa pia pressure mabiste para bazambera ninajua inkuishi otete endelea ukora to kuishi ubote umbana manto ja onokyo onanda sink na omenyo the moment weja nida message yako ki murungu ukatoka na hiyo tonya inyankuruki so it got worse na imbechire nchiambirire kunyi ntonyere nyake malone nongwata ntonyere kinya ke drugs yingi ngukwera na ndiro in and all that it was tough for me it was really tough covid ne mbirire tumirenda uganchoke ke murungu kidogo atia na nimbambirio muchwa ndirambira kuthoma bible but ntina guidance inside dene kwa I have some psychological issues handle them and zara internally dene kwa so I have so much issues in my life 2021 going to enter 2021 ndauga I need to get married miaka iko kinya ko kitata ekogurana now how no ndatonyere gintu gitwa rock bottom twabanga kila kitu everything ndareta mwarinja ndeta kwao all that twabanga twetenya ki Attorney General's office before 4 months the relationship etweka some financial issues ntekwenda kwa terero muno etweka unande akirie kwendikanirie imbiombo to mal pressure enyi stress imbiombo to megitade enyia ndina ntukombuka 2 weeks ntena toro so insomnia ndara insomnia 2 weeks ndari kana nderi ate ukanya chobi kanini kamwe ka glass kamwe kana twere ka gitate ukona toro reu ntigete chobi mbuga merio ikana miaka ethatu you know ndachokere the moment ndakundere rimo in fact ndetre ndatonya mbekerete mbumete nya kanse action ndo meta kanse ntukuyo atende drama ala kere accountant ndamwira ainchobire kwithera ina percentage rere guru ambira kibao amtekuka kibao ni ndogo lakini ndamwire kibao ndanywire nusu ndeta ndona toro ndona there is a remedy so deep down ndambira kintu gitwa avoidance ndekwenda office reality ndikwenda kuona ja murano jo gutwika ndi into debts ndikwenda kwira antu ni atakurakarire murano uji muthako ratonga area youth bank mirano mugwanja successful as their chair na ita ai achokere kugitata kugwithia murano jwawe and I can tell you for free it got deep kumira ntukuna mangata intere agora gwetere but mbira murungu ibwaga ndi wai ngakwira mantu jamoja suicide mbere ato reverse kidogo story so many times that is suicide don't kwira my soul was really empty I've been suicidal twice not I didn't know I didn't be endanger psychologically my spirit was so broken not for addiction ini adarati yeje my soul was really searching for God lakini no komake murungu utege ntokyombo replace murungu nonga murungu enka na denkoro kone karaicho aga murungu lakini tere yako imbi na dina ando gambo ke kauno to suicidal to mweri jwa kenda this is a suicidal prevention month na ndenda alikana it was staff no to addiction haya fast forward ndikwambire kunyona ndina murado komenya marriage the relationship egotweka ndatonya kinchobi what happened antu abengi batuondi ngaira thimu ai mbie na thina no komenya antu bere mbie na thina da ebidi na impere my pastor ni passing ingia kwa addiction pastor mbira we come we talk aina ni impere addict ntiko ndene nyaka kwita kokitate kumwona one day sister kwa Brenda nakupenda ba organize na my ex fiancé ba organize beja kwa gonjoa and basically beja bedera ndi bayane na kunywa but nilikuwa nimezima panka matairo nura bambikire matatune ndiunda karaka west bambikia ngara siza ndari yakwawe rune iyo mbira nukujoa ngugene na inkinyire point nyango gene tuko kitata tukomba gwita na ima iboss ndikana ntukundara bungoro chia this time round takwara that I am working at a director's office na ndinde na bungoro cha director in pay imbeje chako kuraroji rwara office na ba itekonekana it was tough my sister kwa erwe make sure mtu mukinyango gene you know ambijira kwa ndo nene ambikia na the following day kulingana na anywete ankuina ina tijana njego
kushete
eta mutete wiko visine ndo kamba ndero kira uniform de kira nkina ina anku genyangwa no ntono monka witelo kwera witalo ke na mwere jo kitata ngakwere ke manto jalo baadaye director ntekere adori ntekompo mu face no ndo this is someone who was vibrant is someone who rabanga manto visine you know everything can go well lakini all of a sudden akokitata akotoka so my director is a very kind person and they want to get ambira uranka adithia ngabwikie rehab ugetikeria manto jari jeri kubutwa kana rehab so nyekere yogore iratu na you could have chosen rehab so ambira ambulance rehab ndiwe era sister kwa ndiwe to mwe jangu uone ibangete rehab na ndete ndaitangu yo na kulingana na kutetema what happened ndama toka Capitol police station kitu ya kwanza ndetera araivi baranyure njobi ko itigere task ingana ijere menyerete makali ja kibao ndanye task iri ijere itakinyinya no nanda iko bado mtete jure yo ndazo kebiki ndawo ya Kenyatta hospital ndetera ka place ka pub kama ka kwendwa tekawe ndazo kia ndachoko au Capitol police station ndekira unda akapoti ete iwe mwire jwachoka ngetanda the director na mbetere kinya breakfast to area and then job yore gwete gite ndatonyera ambulance ine ndazima the next moment Chiromo Chiromo that is my first time in rehab and it was tough won't I didn't accept it honestly I didn't accept it but when nikaskuma ndadhiria won't now the 90 days ndadhiria na rehab Oma ntetekeretio ngatikana nchobi so the first day kumara ho Darengong retreat center kumara ke ho the first day indarire kwa mwate njobi ndikitate ndimichokera ndachoka ndatonya sink nkuruki riu na ndagire mbeca ndachoka kunyamo nkachanga riu na ndema fiancé ura netire uni reality ndikwenda umiona
angui angui
ngugine ingwita lakini ndeta manusu koiba kumenya ona ndi na ratokere na ndi gwethea tumbira murungu ibaga no tuba nene bau bakwa ya being really graceful to me but gutenda butura but murungu tukona na ntetheretie and na ndiri mbakire nyan pesa chenchobi ndirete nyan kaiya mitungi na au tuchuburia mbi mbendie mbita kunyocha nga soeto echiringi tate but ngera murungu ibwaga the second time ndezire guita this time bado tetekerete so I've been to rehab twice that mana mchoro ko ito Frank through my sister na Gidi bantedia bangwa tanjara kiran kwenda kwira antu na ndena specifically it's not even about the journey kwi mtu bati ko tanjara kwi mtu kirinyene ara njobine no monka ko tanjara abwite Gidi na Frank bangwa terenjara bambita sister kwa mom dad bobo de bangwa terenjara inedra batomba ko ero imbi nai ina dina na oni kiran pumba ko era mutegeri probably o struggle ni unto bomwe no monka to nyinde ne one imbi ndene imbi honesty utegere ndene psychological issue re ndene ku nonto oni kwina trauma nyingi ta andlite kuma my mom or past ntomba ko kumba ko express emotions chakwa ne ata imbi ndene kwa oni bera mtu chwa mute uro wa gutetheria uro ga kugwata njara no ka give up turiaza za batu tumare te tukumba gwitate tukumba kugwata njara twa gutethia twa kugaid ukejaria buja somek then is as ante muno with a lot of hona na ante igukura no tutaire ba mararia baga bagwata njara and most specifically kwenda ku thank my commissioner general Patrick M. Marando CBS na DCGP Jane Kiri EBS na director welfare senior CGP Susan Majere my officer in charge Dr. Solomon Kome PhD senior superintendent na senior superintendent Moses Ngujiri deputy officer in charge committee medium uninkuga ibwaga uraponterere tiaki kiao kienu na murungu abutharimia muno na barabonde bakuigo bakistrago talk to someone talk to antu bara counselors babetu talk to a rehab na ibatetheia mtu you learn a lot no tikirinya na murungu ateguita kirampo mbakuga Luke 1:7 for there is nothing which is impossible with the Lord either aimde mwonoku impendete Yesu.
Wow, thank you so much na tena mamutegire Wero TV rombike kwithira ariki utumiri bwanda wa Chembo Gita akona rugendo ro chinchia no rwitire okay rwina challenges lakini mtu agetikiria bu egire gwitikiria mwishone no ithire kinyamatali ya bata no turobawe bukagira yabuto kona boku bagirite you're a different person na itokuisho the best ki mantu yonde yaro kubwithia Mungu azindi kukubariki.
Thank you.
Aya kathashe mwanya muno kio mutegire Wero TV no tubakona kanya gakwatana bantu ki mubango yonde na makwina mantu ombike kwithira kithoma awe uririte kio tumiri bwanda wa Chembo Gita ombike kwithira wekinya matalia ya bata ya uchenchi otoroboku na watira bukwitha bukiagira na bushokanira ya burabu batere kwithira obokari mbeto awini wa kinyero ethira wina kaitakia.